Hello students, today I will teach you how to construct a rectangle, a square and a rhombus. I'll teach you how to construct a rectangle, a square and a rhombus. Practice set 8.2, standard 8, practice set 8.2. Question number 1. Draw a rectangle ABCD such that length of AB 6.0 cm, it means 6 cm. Length of BC 4.5 cm. So length of AB 6.0 cm, length of BC 4.5 cm. So first of all we will construct a rough diagram. A rectangle is also a quadrilateral. It means a four-sided closed figure. A rectangle is a four-sided closed figure. Okay, so this is rectangle A, B, C, D. According to given question, length of AB 6 cm. And you know the property of a rectangle, each angle is of 90 degree. So here you will get 90 degree angle. This is also 90, angle C is 90 and angle D is also of 90. And opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. So if AB is of 6 cm, DC is also of 6 cm. In the question, length of BC is 4.5 cm. So now BC is 4.5 cm. So opposite to BC, DA, or you can say AD, that is also of 4.5 cm. Now we will construct a final diagram. First of all, draw AB of 6 cm. Now you need to draw 90 degree angle from point A as well as point B, as well as from point B. You have to draw 90 degree. Draw a ray. Now take distance of 4.5 cm on your compass. Keep steel point at point A, draw arc. Keep steel point at the point B, draw another arc. So this point is point D and this point is point C. Distance of AD 4.5 cm. Distance of BC 4.5 cm. Because opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent, they are equal. Now to get a rectangle, you need to join point DC. Draw segment DC, and this DC distance is also of 6 cm. Angle A is 90 degree, angle B is of 90, angle C 90 and angle D is of 90 degree. This is your required rectangle ABCD. Now I will show question number 2. Question 2. Draw a square WXYZ with side 5 cm. You need to draw a square of 5.2 cm. You know that all sides of a square are equal. So all sides are of 5.2 cm. First of all, we will draw a rough sketch. Square is also a quadrilateral and all its sides are equal. So we will draw a quadrilateral, 4 sides. XY ZW is a square and side of square is 5.2 cm. In this square also all angles are of 90 degree and all these sides are of 5.2 cm. Now we'll draw final diagram. First of all, draw 5.2 cm segment XY. Draw 90 degree angle. Angle X is of 90 degree. Also angle Y is of 90 degree. Draw a ray. Take distance of 5.2 cm. Mark arc. This point is W, this point is Z. Distance 5.2 cm. Join WZ. This is your required square XYZW. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Draw a rhombus KLMN such that its sides is of 4 cm and measure of angle K is equal to 75 degree. You need to draw a rhombus KLMN such that its sides is 4 cm and angle K is of 75 degree. First of all, we will draw rough diagram. KL 4 centimeter. Then we have to draw angle K, that is of 75 degree. Then here a rhombus is also a four-sided closed figure. It's a quadrilateral in which length of all four sides are equal. K, L, M and N. K, L, M, N. Here K, N distance is of 4 centimeter. NM distance is also of 4 centimeter because all its sides are equal. Now we will be drawing final diagram. First of all, you have to draw distance KL of 4 centimeter. Draw angle K 75 degree. This is 0, 30, 60, 70. After 70, fifth point. Draw a ray. Angle K 75 degree. Now take distance of 4 centimeter on your compass. From point K, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. This is your point N. Now same 4 centimeter distance arc you should draw from point L and from point N. Where these both are intersecting, that point is point M. Join ML and NM. This is your required rhombus KLMN, where all its sides are of 4 centimeter. So what we have done, first of all, we have to draw KL of 4 centimeter, draw angle K of 75 degree, mark an arc of 4 centimeter, name this point as N. From L, draw arc of 4 centimeter. From the point N, draw arc of 4 centimeter. Where these both arcs meet, that point is point M. So this is your required quadrilateral KLMN. Thank you.